Hello friends, once again welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Amit and today I'm going to show you an interesting feature of Oracle Data Visualizer. We are going to find out the list of products where product sales is above average sales. So the objective of today's session is to make you comfortable and familiar with the new interface, Oracle Data Visualizer new interface, and a kind of walkthrough about the new interface as well. Okay. So I already set up Oracle Visualizer in my virtual machine. When you log into your workspace, when you log into your OBI home page, you find a new interface over there. You find an option called Data Exploration and Data Discovery. There you find Visual Analyzer Project. It's a new license product. You may find it take little extra time to log in. So this is one flaw I found. I also show you a couple of limitation I realized while working on couple of sample visualization. So the first option pops up. It asks you to add the server, add the source. You can add source which you publish in your RPD. In addition to this, you can also add source from your data file as well. For example, I'm trying to pick XLS file. You'll see the option over there. I've picked up XLS file. I click on open. System pops up and say it supports only open XLS file, XLSS. It does not support the older version of XLS file. Okay, so people who are coming from older version, they need to modify them, change the version, then only you can use it. Next, I'm going to use default three sources, three tab: data source tab, data element, and visualization tab. Because I have not added data source, I'm going to the bottom and add the source over here. I select sample sales, the default RPD, and answer request subject area, and I find a list of all the folders or the dimension which has got member in it. There you find the canvas, your draw area where you actually draw your data visualization. The default view is tabular view, cross tabular view, pivot, but you can change the view to line chart and bar chart. I'm going to create a stack or cluster bar chart. I need a list of all the products where the sales is above average sales. What I'm going to do, I'm going to apply first filter on product line of business. At the top you find an option. I select product category as games, and then in turn use product name, which display as my row, product name under product line of business games. And I'm going to display this for across different year. So here I'm going to place on top as a cross tabular view, a pivot. When you drag and drop here, a couple of more options appear. I use here, and then I'm going to use my measures. I'm going to see measures based on revenue. Drag and drop. You see in the bottom there are four options appear. You can display measures as values, color, size, and shapes. I'm going to use a value over here because I'm going to use this bar chart. So I'll change the view type as bar chart. One more thing I like to do it, I like to change the currency type, the data type property to currency. I change color and right click and go to the property section and change formatting as number as currency, number format as currency, and this makes sense. Okay, now I like to change the view type as stack bar chart, cluster bar chart. I'm going to use a bar chart. Change, I can have a multiple view together. I can add one more view in addition to pivot. I'm going to use a bar chart as well. Alternatively, you have got an option to convert this as a bar chart itself. Move your mouse cursor, convert to bar chart. Cluster bar chart, there I can see for multiple years the revenue with different color. Here you can see the revenue, new excuse me, revenue, product category, year, and product name. I'm going to further apply limit on product name, year for 2012. So now I could see for 2012, these are 4 products and their respective revenue. Well, I like to find out the list of products where revenue is more than average revenue. So one alternate way of achieving this, I can add a reference line which will highlight the product where sales or revenue is above average revenue. This is the revenues for 4 product for 2012. I'm going to add over here reference line, add reference line, and I'm going to add a reference line as a band, where the minimum value is going to be an average and maximum. So that's it. What you see over here, it says there are 2 products where sales is above average, right? You can even remove this filter and apply for multiple products. So these are list of the product where sales is above average sales. In addition to this, you can also right click and add numbers. You add, there's an option, you can drill down, drill up. I'm going to add a properties and displaying numbers. So data value is off, I turn it to on. When turn it to on, you see numbers are started visible on top of them. The numbers are getting overlap, and therefore they are not visible. So this way you can highlight the product with a specific parameter or value. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching today's video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and in couple of new, I'm going to post couple of new videos about Oracle Data Visualizer. Thanks for joining today's session and have a great day ahead.